Ya fidangan polidoy Osure hol busilin didoy Sama yola set makasa hol di phone Laula Charlie ya fidoy While di masinya When you see me present say number one The moment my turn jalan non Tebinga sama non Nayan kapusa non
Mic check 1 2 it's your boy Nova Tariala Tala Mic check 1 2 it's your boy Nova Tariala Tala
Yo bunga masiring de bro Teknala menyin na eni Buri ala mama taju Well sumai gas naisu Yo bunga masiring de bro Teknala menyin na eni Buri ala mama taju Well sumai gas naisu
Damay bàyyi suma xel du ñëpp ñoo ma xiifal gas bax di ma jiital fa xastal jéemala dal ma wax dem kuy kunkan idafa ñaale ba jëlante ñinam ko di yan tammo fe kawo ke funding ke ko ma tale ke man la fin nga totala dube felem batila gambia ba kulun tila mori santo
Mic check 1 2 it's your boy Nova Tariala Tala Mic check 1 2 it's your boy Tariala Tala
Yo bunga masiring de bro Teknala menyin na eni Buri ala mama taju Well sumai gas naisu Yo bunga masiring de bro Teknala menyin na eni Well sumai gas naisu
Right, mama free with my jet to my flyer. Start on the mic, hooker up to the sky. Hey, tell we all tell wanna go fire. Quiet for them all, chatty mouth haters. Haters keep on heading, but man keep on hitting. Konopolis a bubble boy, I'm the hit maker. Them try everything just to make a you drop. Still we make a big sound just like a boom drop. Them have the brightest smile, but the darkest heart. Still we put all we faith in the most I got. When they try to see I fall, still I make I rise.
Mic check 1 2 it's your boy Nova Tariala Tala Mic check 1 2 it's your boy Nova Tariala Tala
Yo bunga masiring de bro Teknala menyin na eni Buri ala mama taju Well sumai gas naisu Yo bunga masiring de bro Teknala menyin na
Good evening, beautiful listeners out there. Welcome to the fourth edition of the Birmingham program here at BFM, Bulundala FM 91.2. Badingol ngal salamu wala Birmingham program wala membinali arabala kabo tala lulu kata tala wala. Here in the studio with me is my technical team, of course, giving me the technical backup, and I also have my co-host, who is Jeresane, commonly known as Prof. Prof. Nibura Yeti Kotwai.
Problem to you.
Nim fondi ge fana bi jam yaa ko mbal interview jabo bi kajabe di ala baga ku jama bi men nyanta kajala ka keso wonde jaboto be mbeden di ngal la dandawol ko nani kudol la birmintim programme olom bar jannim be bula ko wol kono folo fonse opportunity di funding kera membe sirin jang ibaja la asafang introduce. You welcome to the program, sir.
Thank you very much, Sultan, as you are commonly called. Lamoy labi konton na etoni konton senawala aning ibe dawda ni be wato ni be bulakang nim programme no ntonu lamin singatilati bare jamayo long sirifula di nata Bulundala FM 91.2 kana kadiamu area council la fanala ka kumo suti andi ntelebe area council len jamatema wala nimba mandi ka ba fola nsafu ko ntelo area council nangoti mbasiru makamo le kunna jambi. Thank you.
Abaraka baraka Mr. Singa, the area council public relations officer Menkera area council Kamodi. You know, atelebe studio kono jambi nabe kata sotala membe den kujamala nimbe jam wala kera prof sanedi kadi sama defana mbesilo kankana nang nyama la Birmingham program. Mr. Singa, thank you very much for that wonderful introduction. First thing first, before we get into the program, I would like to give Prof the opportunity to introduce himself. Prof, if I say introduce Moliao.
Okay, all right. Abarakawage. Thank you so much, Madlamin. My name is Fama Rajere, but commonly known as Prof, and I want to use this opportunity to welcome our wonderful listeners to this dialogue. I mean, this is going to be a weekly program that is going to be aired on live, and the discussion is going to be centered on different topics and subjects, and we will be here to inform you and to invite personnels who are representatives to come and serve as a form of public communication between the public and the media. So I want to use this opportunity to thank you all, and we will try to make this discussion fruitful, productive, and also to make it inclusive, because we are also looking forward to the participation of the public, because our main objective is the inclusion of everyone. We don't want to leave anyone behind. So thank you so much, and I am looking forward to a fruitful discussion with all of you.
Abari wala baraka baka wala jere Prof sanity na kiangandi you know ada menahan bakul mugare tuko sirvo je muram dol fam original ndam farawaja hedro ku won ko le ede jang ye $7 si jore farawaja
is high temporarily can repatriate.
Kiang ko leda.
Yes, sir.
And then your mother will better.
This nobody will call from us within your mix.
Thank you very much. Go ahead.
No, go ahead. Very unfortunate.
No, we are not. In fact, we are fortunate to have as many Kiangas in the town.
Thank you very much. Ila na kuja kumada bake. Bilkama area council ketabulari dame ya lonko amila lodula akumada ntoliele. Bari ito lebentol fanani development o tema, ito lebentol fanani kujama tema, kujama bijambe menkachala. But first thing first, mingena important wala mnintiko pour nga area council la responsibility nga wol jibe nga jibe roke wala pour ka jibe area council to lo ko muneti itol be jang ina fam muneti ngo folo ka janga long mol fana membe la ngoro la tol fana senyilo bari jama bi je e ka mole area council imam balitol fay imam dingol da imam fenkol da imam silol da bar ni nga long area council la lo ko muneti tol do ku tam muneti ibaje la ko mayara ba ke prof pour mol fana seolong ibaje tol fanam balo ne ni area council bitala nyameng e balo ne del fanam balo ne be approach la nyameng ngamra prof ko mad.
Yes, that's quite very important. I mean, it's good for the public to be aware and to be informed about the functions of the area council, because the area council is established by an act of the government which mandate the council to provide services and goods to the public. So first of all, I mean, we can highlight on the functions of the area council, and we have the spokesperson here who is going to take up that responsibility, and he is going to inform the public about their functions as a council.
Yes. All right, you're welcome once more time. One more time, rather.
Thank you very much for such a wonderful question. I think an informed society, there is a higher potential and a higher probability for them to be productive. Means among informed adequately, sometimes akatina niru kasala nyukan wala kamon kasala nyukan yo minin karo minki akumara le area council hanatra misalo fi jamaya long wa kumata puruka afomye kanyo hakili bulandi bari kulo miyalon ko danaka jamintel bi ko international be siri jam del mutal na area council tala ya wa salle so woto fenno mi yalon ko ala lon kan anala dun ko amang tara jamaay kumpoto bari asetaran do fana kumpoto le yo ka kumuta ka suti ende wolon ko area council kono profia fo nyame man sakunda la bulolo andon amu bulalati mi yalon ko man sakunda yalo dalilo min kan wolon ka sembo tala banko kan pour maralo se soniano nyame anim banko du ko se soniano nyame ya understand le okay but wotalar nyafana maybe matala nyato mo do discourse lale but sai area council non implement wolon ka kumo suti andika amu maybe la no ka wolon ko area council lota ye mandate min dila wolon ko kaje ko the basic needs the basic service in the jurisdiction of Minjo like niko Brikama area council yo Brikama area council mo West Coast lari so West Coast silal ani West Coast dulu ila basic needs ila sulam fengolu min yalon ko imanke wara man bati but the basic one area council ya kumata mo do jibe basic one ko na kesho bondi jabo okay so on lafsala nga birmindi wo ko sa nga okay ninko basic jang is like kono na dandangol la senendu o area council la lon ko lon pour ka ko e be glaw de la do dandaw ni ay senea ya understand le ani ka sonia ndiro to molie comme sino la Kenya feeder roads niko feeder roads lo man ga kan do sirinkol ko yo pour ka sirinkol do ko no itana nya aso sonia no silal bulje so basically these are some of the basic needs min ya lon ko area council nota man sakunda na da sammo dila pour ka ku do topotono donc dimolier tonya kuma gawni mbetiata wala area council tanyati bari singa de sirin ka jamale bi men nyanta fenkela de tonya la silan du wobe nyaadi la kadu sade mol yemu no ke ngoya ani de ntila kuma to yindi de ko nyin kuno singa del tamin dana la mol silan singa moto jimi wa bari afene development no kula me yala ngo wala bendo sambala and area council keda man sakunda la bulodi membe lori nyim fannala so ni sirin ko la ko ni fama ya fanyame ni sirin ko la tinya sama ko nanin blaldo ya fami nga ajiki ko area council fanan ilo labi jele asekeno ye palangol soto ye mellon di kaje ko ni leke asekeno fanan be ko jibe kan kaje ko ni topoto sila area council lam monete woto thank you kami membeje mandin ko sa fanyadi e ko konkoto elam na fay ko ibnu ko afale na ya do mo ko ko mo la sahara bari improva like okay Sultan kami ya fanyame Brikama area council di niajibe Gambia mu nebe the biggest region ni yalon ka warata Gambia beti wolong Brikama ti West Coast region West Coast ya okay lalu I want to beg your pardon or to apologize kal ke bolo zero ke katen ko nin ko Brikama aman ko Brikama town area council ti understand but Brikama is the administrative capital so andum dafana delta wala Brikama andum abola nyawa fa Brikama area council but that doesn't mean ko Brikama the town solely and wholly it belongs to the entire West Coast region so we okay sign yalong coming sorry ne kundu ya ni ko Brikama Brikama len administrative capital West Coast region la capital odi so akumara nga fanal fanamfo melbe West Coast region kono je bajala mol sa famia because do bi ni ko area council ila mira lo kara dame wala nyindi ko Brikama damal mbebe ko kilele ya understand mebe ko kilen na mo lafta wo to clarify la ka je ko nin ko brikama lam mo ra do kana feel ko area kan so no brikama dam male bar ko ka adresso ni ka so le andino mo ya faham mbe jumala fakam ba mun dole fakam wala nan ka fa brikama area
ga ba no ngi faham ya men na ya area kan so la fa foni yol ma fa kallaji
kala men fa kallaji
ka ton yo good la fa nga nyin du la fa pour mo salon ko area council ite lo marlen lamen lale be marlen kallaji ka jiwo ka bokato ibaji la mo fana ba famia ya lan santa senegal ka bo lamen kana fokato be area council ko kallaji kana fokato be area council ke am area bi jiro nyon ngamira ka bo ndo kolori be KMC la fo
yes ko kololi be KMC la but sanchaba Kersering bijilo Bruce Bay kanana usumbala nyol farato sanya nyola de yifara wanyo beso do ngoya almolo wala na diamo ka diamre dina diamo lo bukal confuse bila no not basically I think ni la fakki awartale ni public servant ni be mo nyaato diamo manyan na ke chawundi anda manyan na ke kam fandi fana because wo diamo lalo wolle bete so kan hakilo la ya wala sale nda boda fara bal nka wili fara bal ngana du ko la brikam sometimes akata le fokari jelu man fo da fo ni ma fo yo ni ko fo ni ko te diamo la ya man da fo ni non la yani ya wala sale so wodo ni be diamo kan min tarafa kum mata damare if the speakers are not objective you the receiver should be very objective with a very very open mind to accommodate things and for you to walk ahead you understand sirin ko la tinya kamin fatanting to nyalo ngasin don kilo to malo be nyala ko molo après to continue yalo ko mo la mo ya understand yo bari min fana bije council as the responsible authority pour ko do solve no buka ku keno without nafulu manan ko because doko any development ni ba kala bi there is attached a financial for kodo se naje yo so woto kamma kodo do no ko to atamu hayma rolati ya faham le bi camera council lafta ka tandi lamor la ko dulalo mi yalo ko min bebe banko kan weskus kono mon la plate no femfenti mon la ni ya ko femfem bala no mon la sula ko femfem bala it is well noted na kalam tale andu amanke ko ni na kalam tan ka siakan fana ben na ferol faykan na sembo ni na kato dango bela pour ka jeno ko yalla bani ko na ko leata ka mobe kontane ndi nyola andu ma ko leata ka mobe satisfied yo ba min ta fa ko ma rola ndi be defu na nyanta ro min play la yo play so what a council no dulal la takandi pour ka je ko nyanta no dulal min tala pour ka nyum problem mo solve no dulal ba takanne andi bambulle andi ne ke priority ne ke hata dolati pour ka je no ko do ni hanim ma be bayno barka atala sinada wayla mande ngawli ka fel bom jak hata jol
Okay, so let me, I would like to come in just to make an overview of what Mr. Singate is trying to explain. Is that Brikama is the administrative capital of West Coast as a region, and it's one of the fastest growing business hubs in the whole of region. And West Coast, it's mandated by the government to collect tax to collect tax in the whole of West Coast region. And the other thing that I would like to go into, Mr. Singate, because the Local Government Act obliged the Brikama Area Council to plow back 60% of its revenue through the provision of social services or development projects like good roads and proper sanitation and waste management systems. I mean, these are core functions of the Brikama Area Council, and as a people, mostly the people are not interested in how much the Brikama Area Council is collecting as tax or in form of revenue. So in order for us to know the 60% that the council should plow back to the investment of the people or for the provision of social services, it's essential for the people to know how much the area council collect in the form of tax. If the people know this, then it's going to be easy for the people to identify what the 60% is and what it owes to be. But without knowing the amount of revenue that the area council collect, then it will be hardly or almost impossible for the people to know what that 60% is.
Prof, I think you come for the new kumadara, ning sidua taworo. Akan mem fata wala nyindi ko komi mansakunda sembodi area council la purun dol fana na dan nan kono ko ya yol ta ko ngan sirin kan diwol la dada mem fo rana da fo ko ni sidula kemelom mansakunda ko men kadu area council la ranke so kono o sidula taworo o nyanda murun na mol kanne abe murun na mol kan nyaadi wala kila ni fanna la me alon ko fanna di me alon ko silo be dada la wol kono development wol be kala wol kono marché be dada la wol kono street light wol na ñon jam. So prof kamin fo jante angale kawala jante wolo minti ko sante silang itela miralo munati singate itela 60% dola ko to saying area kan to lo lam wol munala andi tebe mo folano moli o kono prisa faham yalo nyame kadu ning taworo sila tawora kumara wa ga moli yalo ko mi tul falang man sakunda ka nyine londie pour ministre no delaro la ko dani kudol area council fund responsibility la singate ngela fen ko la mo sultan prof akadami futending to ya lualo because ni dara bugu fon ko no jibe wala bije by the virtue of local government act it is saying ko 60% of the revenue namu council lemon collect 60% should be plowed back to the community, to the taxpayers in form of services and other developments. You understand that? You bari minta da fa ku mata jang wala minti ko 60% ko be council ka jalla soto fele wo ku mayala la pour wel mo le la o ku mata ya understand so ni e wo ma lo sai was wala 60% to ite to mando ba to ta ba mi la nyami ana be nyami e man killing ya famle man la fika fem for off head or something ni yalo ko bari radio diamo long di ni fem for jang jamano falen talabi abatula jewe nyamale so the finance aspect new anyway na council la budgeto ni ya budget I can say ko akakole abake pour kala ka haymaro like for misal fi ni nga tara ko dal ci keme wala hayma pour ka do ko ke wina akakole abake council pour ka tansi wo fon soto no kemo ko so sai ni keme hayma wala mbagati pour ka do ko ke dal ci keme wo dal ci kemo amanke ko o dala sikel me yemin hayma ko yenta du ko kala wala taworo wala be murula bag hani yemin sort of physical cast ise kema hayma nole e man la kema sort of talu sort of so do talu la the physical cast of talu min dun te du ko ne mi sort of no namoto wala tidula taworo wala yenta murula back to the community malum fo nga faham ya so basically we nak ke constraint you understand and to be candid 60% we come in for aka plow back la yalong development we are given for in a broader perspective and the definition is very wide you understand because from Najama Lebakono you have the infrastructures you know and other social areas and stuff like that will be you're saying the infrastructure aspect is not seen that Oma conclude they are not plowing back I can give you a record that this year 2020 there are a lot of feeder roads council chip in kamako roke o taxpayer lo ko do jo ka keje pour ka do ko mera ko makundu yalo mo la mira lo ndela jero mo la mira lo ka kemende jama mo la compléter ni awo ya kan zola nyama fayo mangue marché ko no tinya tale samana da jama ka gani neke silol tinya tale samana ra marché ko no betiñaari nyama fayo manke mo jamala mira lo ka kenyene nyamba area council mantara fenke kan nyamolo ya famia nyamolo
but Sultan Malaf Kuntu, but I mean it's important for us to dilate on that topic because I mean we need to look at the basic needs and aspirations of the people, and the council is here to provide this basic necessity.
Na abola explain kam. That's abola explain kan dia na da ninjila aku mara baga punna auto senian because niko area council mo ya kan area council mantara do ko la area council mantara do ko la ibe mulla nyamol man fay silol be tiñaari marché ko no be tiñaari ya fa aka jele explain ten ibaje la ko yala kam min foten wala min digo ko min niko area council la responsibility area council keko wo mandang coming infrastructure damar infrastructure aro silo linning silo kandingol kono be ko vale atam bida woyele mina auto betul so la na lafa opportunity di dala pra fo silo kandingol kono ani dan nangol le menke je ni woto long wo seneata
but mela ko mo kuntu still
ali yena ko mo kuntu
but let me comment in lining up development objectives we first have to we first have to look at our priority areas. That is the basic needs of the people. As a council, that is expected of them to provide basic necessities like good roads, good markets, good drainage systems, and of course sanitation. These are some of the key issues that the area council as a council should focus on first. If the needs and aspirations of the people are met according to priority areas, then we can now shift our attention to other development agendas. But first, what the council needs to do as an entity is to first try to prioritize the needs of the people. That is the basic needs.
Okay, Prof. Fahamian. Area council keko. That is the responsibility of area council. That is what we are dealing with here. So right now, Prof. Laftar don't know the sign thing. Come here, can explain the area council keko is beyond Siringandingoli infrastructure. So Prof. Laftar don't know comme nabota wala infrastructure mun area council nyanda munekela e mammenke andi nyanta kela ya famia but we have to deal with things in sequence.
Yeah, I think that would help us, but notwithstanding, to come to Prof's concern, left at at the end of 2019 council coming for them, prioritization is very important. But remember the whole that desktop approach, meaning we are sitting here formulating policy or prioritizing development agendas for Marakisa. Malam fe coming from understand kan ba nintel kombasila jambi without consulting the people of Marrakech their needs and aspiration fontel lo kombasila janda mare tel Prof Anita Sultan pour que Marrakech do ko that's desktop approach in development jargon we use we gone beyond that era now.
Of course, I totally agree.
You understand? And as a result, with the help of UNDP, council was able to formulate their strategic plan covering a period of 4 years. And what strategic plan we developed community consultation on the we have 28 wards within West Coast region. Ward muang anin say walang ko council muang anin say we kamera council walang ye mole kate family. So no ward mo ni say be ward killing na consultant no ni yalang ko abe o strategic plan o develop kam min nyande kelen be kamera council la buku bati pour ila yiru waye ba sambala nyaalu West Coast kono sanji nanu min kanala ni ya do ko walang Abdou Koleti the former finance minister abe ngala avec steering Kambujele. But another team itata la word na be West Coast itata jele inila mol sita kakacha mina ma atella la finna sulam fangoti ni watu kono pour bi camera council sa kenwali ando ni la council be la kataraje yo ko la kabiri information do shoto inata mo do commande ko take governors office council ni be ka tamila ko ngamra tan ko ni ko haninta manin fo ya bondi ji hande ngani fo yo keje so bu ko wala njele so meaning ko bi wolong dalla drive foot that strategic plan anything that we will do nka apply nka abundi wala kono na implement you understand it one after this year 2020 you're fine coming down for the basic need of people I highlight inclusively as we speaking we are about to prepare our 2021 estimates budget estimates so and each councillor was taxed to a priority area so na taking reference from the strategic plan blueprint you understand so fine and equally the council when it's come to development like I said we sin kan din kono du ko damma manke council la du ko ti sultan mintandi marso kono al halu betan sama kono al halu betantin yes we all agree you understand it is true the condition at the market is very unfavorable kula mi yalon ko mi fa fa de jake ba mi fa you understand it and the council as an entity responsible of creating conducive environment for the populace particularly for the taxpayers don't take these things easily we are running helter-skelter to make sure we fix those problems but like I said
Hanika Bimbe consular responsibility level we want to deal with things accordingly comme yam info c'est kan no dam mama ga consular responsibility adum dal fana nyaaw area consular design so marché siringan di jamala so ci jamala do da marché ko amanke nyinandi amanke serundi amanke serungo da metale so do la fala area consular ko mo ne di nyimla pour ka je ko nyimla ngani isu nyim takko ngata ku do because ku jamala be je consular nyanda melkela ya fam yale so la responsibility to give ani dan short answer ni go no concept birim ya ni go short answer tidak mandi go wala prof long answer boleh mo sudun tidak prof short answer long ila haji ya ningo short answer it doesn't mean ko mafel na follow dama yes or no answer no that's not it bismillah nalo ko ninna ka jang I will spend 2 hours monton wati fla diamo wonde diam jaante ay keso jabodo ya ona sal ni ka fiul ko ndo diamo kumbando lantina ya ona sal but say coming marso ko ni ajen ka fi ko kantu mamuta ku timiyalo ko ku do yare ngolam and we are seriously focused on it thank God let me also inform you people that ko inshallah ni sama be kiri nyamen tante bi ni daga marso ko silo ni be jiyo le bolo ngi but there is a project within our 2020 priority areas ni yalon ko marso no feeder road so pour que ji dadano ay betea and the whole project is still in and we are working pour que ko before December or before end of 2020 we don't do that sade mo wela mo kanne yes I know what I'm saying intala jang like I said earlier here this is a media you understand and I don't think I should just come here just to say something just for the sake of saying tomorrow I'll be accountable for it if I'm not accountable personally institutionally I'll be accountable for it but this is something that it is in place and we are working tirelessly towards achieving it before end of this year it's just like we all know what is happening things are not very normal in this present situation across the globe and like I said the aja kala kudu la kadungi ngala na jam kudu la buntaji min mam pasu jo ka bana fara banta futan wala no so ya understand you would be surprised sometime in collectoral tata namu kan wala no like so you cannot confront them to that level because we all need to understand provision of bijela mi atende ko namo nyanta ka dole mo man namo jo nyanta ke kitindile ya sale
yes Yes, Malafke Kuntu. Why? What the same provisional may citizen or may a citizen or empower to be paying tax. I mean, it's the same. It's the same provision, and it's the same act that also empowers and obliges the council to provide basic services and goods to the people.
Indeed.
Of course, yes.
Indeed. That's very true. You understand? There is no other way to put it other than that. But now, what I'm trying to explain here is, you know, like I said, during this pandemic, some people, or not even during this pandemic, some people will just say, if our collectors approach them to pay their dues, the first question they will ask, okay, what are you people doing for us?
Yes.
And as a result, some even insist or resist to pay.
Yes.
And we want to clear that doubt here. That you can make. There is no connection that you can make to get you free from paying your dues. Tax is an obligation. Yes, it is an obligation on the council to provide basic services to the taxpayers. But you should not take that as an advantage to insist or to resist paying your tax.
Yes, because I learned of a scenario at the Bikama market where vendors refused to pay tax because they made a protest claiming that they are paying tax, they are doing their duties as citizens and they are paying tax, but the area council is failing in its obligation to provide basic goods and services. I mean, when we try to equate this, I mean, it's rational, even though it's not
within the legal context.
It's not within the legal context, but it's rational, you know.
Yeah. Wolf and I will understand. The council, I mean the council for that. Okay, fine, thank you. Nundo council different revenue sources la soto. Niko revenue sources wala dula jamal la ba jemi yalo ko council kana mo kanenji. Yana sale nundo sanji tanin bu ko manto. Okay, bari ko nata faling. Ndindi yata nyaaw wato lolu nga council la mo jelori mana sila ba kanne. Ka tax collect dara fa bulo ko. Wakal mo wala naka sodon mo. Ba san de la ani sande ma fo mo je kanne. Yana sale. Wol katale. Because Nico natural resources, I can tell you West Coast region is the richest region in terms of natural resources in the whole country.
West Coast
Nico na alala natural resource per se. But what natural resources be? Teta ya GB council kamu munafansi fala sodaji. Muntu ika chamela sodaji. I can tell you Sultan B ika darastan damala sodaji. Abe of the central government.
Okay, so I left them for a while in the call. Couldn't come council commander and it's an
I can say that in any platform.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I remember because usually I'm coming near the city that camera. Namo council coming to a city like Tower, Wanyanta, Wonanda Buruna taxpayers like America, Namu Ninjo. So I don't know coming Namo la Jubali and the Jula Yam coming at before.
Of course, yes. That's
council responsibility. It is a issue on behalf of council. Then council they will be but council in Keno. So they have a more fun idea. Because Mola Miralon meant all quote unquote council man Fenkeka. Mola Miralon minute and the Bela Morgan. So it is a issue in the Banamula because San David and council and the Amlad. It is a issue in the Banamula. Kavamola. I'll go down and a Kirin. A council for any Kara, I've been Paraga Kanyanka.
Thank you. Utokumara Bakal. BBB council says only from Nakajuku Naninkele. Follow. 28 works okono. Development is a process. Amanke keka dati bila yapan bi. Council West Coast lang ward one se okono. Ward mi bijele mi alon ko bi council ya di la min tata dal si wili keme lulu wo pour ye be ku kela woro kono mi yalla ko ila modo sula la walla man kela fi min de yalla la fo sulu fato bi je yalla sa fato fasila ay fato sula isula femo mu fenne de mi yalla ko man do ba la balwote ni nyano la ni mo soto ila fenna femo do mu fenne de mi yalla ya so de ma so da me la balwo affect
Sengaja no dia.
Yalla sa
What else we can bring our area council the spokes?
Council achievement letter. Kajako they disburse that fund to blood beneficiaries. And then what project called don't talk and remember Jida from Brigamo Jida Jam, the closest area. Wala ko doon iba dun kan pur ka Marcelo no
Mariam ra ke sinad ang roman ba bala sibili kemelu
ha no
wodo bi de kundi wonde ni kemelu yodi na ko nyela wonde ba sinad na wodo be la fring no siata
no min bije
yang roman ba
no min bije wala nan ko ko imaje at least ni ko ni ko mbe sulare min na wala siata bari ko ni be la fring min and you tell fi femo kan mo fo yo ko wala
That's true. I totally agree with you on that. I totally agree with you. He is trying to make a distinction between needs and wants, and that's very.
So it's on that.
Yes, that's very objective. I totally agree.
Yes. So basically,
omo ko kilina de ko aje vili kemelo di wodo omo ko kilina de tolla jero anyanda tambila wala molla jero da anyanda tambila wala ya non tonya mu kilina council yo mingedan tonya ila efforts should be commended these are those womu kula de noya is very essential and have realizing ko that is one of the things Malayalam council came all out to make sure it is done and it is done definitely they should be commended for that absolutely which is a good thing but naje ko sinade wada mate ko de ni ko council da siso li pala wada manna he na hola
sisi lipo ko ngamera I think iya take from kore puro na sama sisi lipo ha na ko sisi lipo ha ko kilin fo ni yalo ko bi ay sa fo ko
zingare nande ko kilin bi ngada because
understand any platform that they can follow council man sisi le papu soto hani brikama beke diamond wala am ya beke I don't know skyscraper la ni ke ko la man sisi le papu soto ye ke ko la ke yela mo jeni fudu yasin bila bu kon ikam manu se ka dia ko ton ni simo ka dia ko de ka ra lo kan da ba ka fon de la ke ni ke arif ike ko so that's how okay sigare bari yela mo jeni faram fudu elen da control simo di la le control dia e non simo dia faram ma ko control di la simo ni control dia la ife ko simo ni control dia la wala na so ka mo no du mo na le ko a imu ko te ka ninke esi so do never okay bro be very clear so apart from giving which is very absolutely a very good thing you've done council should be commended for that for giving 500,000 half a million to each ward to be able to come up with an initiative so as to be able to transform that particular ward apart from that council will make you there are project ko do bi jeno min yalon ko council alone cannot do it council da mata kan wala bari nim mo leka collaborate pour ko kelo collaboration in a sense ifana kila muna fo bondele ikafana yeta bondi to project ko do bi jeno central government la project ko la bari ni ya di buka di 100% ifana kila contribution ko jele okay nema ko marché bo la ñam central government and have through groundworks, but the council as an institution to spend some millions there. You understand? So the Wofalam area the Miyalanko council investment council a greater contribution of Kajal. You understand? And secondly, we can learn from like this feeder room. Yala minta da fa kumaraja. Comme na fa nyami dete silam na official kono ata comfort zone ko na jibe min bari ata fournier wata kenola ya la ko le ba ya tandi council la ko through the council ndel ba sulo ni la ñente ko tan
sina de mol kanale mol ke
woron dalla taru je na fatala we are there to address that either adequately or inadequately depending on the circumstance
but sina
ya san nim fo ni ko ni la miro nada fidabo jama bale da within this period of time before samadinala you understand? Council contribute to Golden Navy, right? It's like we provide fuel. You understand? Can you repeat? We provide fuel for those populace. You understand? The need to go to Naftan Masini Bukulale, the Dorola Bonagi, very common over Korea. Council saying in Calvi Sula of fuel or general. We can deal for almost 1,000 liters for a particular community. And secondly, for now, we negotiate between the community and geology. Very well, Maravin Berkuara level. Puka Tendila Pu, Nubula Karibuna, Puka, Isula de Borola, Purika Fenduji. Why you think now will get out of it? Mandova Robert Puka is within geology. Your council card make sure the community is free of charge. So what the contribution of me council back is definitely a good thing. Angale mako angade mutul fanan nadan. Mutul fanan nadan council mutul sam mutul male ko na da kenyane. Okay, so mutul fanan nada men kam wala ndu ko puruka ka development semen tu ya. Exactly ko ni nyanda kan. So I mean no model fanan na ko kete ngad lo fanan fonya. Yeah, all model fanan basically come ya fonya me ina da wala they are proposed of their communities for garbage collection. Puruka nyamu ko ada di level fonya. Puruka nyamu ko no mole dollar. No model do ko start officially but at a very short possible time at the book will start la. Because we are the nyamu ko yambatandi. Remember I will not sit here to say things or to bump my words or whatsoever because when the young people no more never diamo ke sen yum lonko asa diamo ke musunan lo yo wala bi je ya alo saka program. Who knows at the end of the day when the facts are being presented, Omari Bahamela Kamuleke. Very Gamma will bring understand your feeling. Banku Tigi Mianka, Hadamadu Vishodia and Gamberosi. So I should not dare come here to say things that are really not happening at the council. You understand? So when we call it we have a lot of problems. Financial constraints, vehicle constraints, collect West Coast region. I can tell you, effectively. Wati kan ne kega ndaban na kaliya ya faham yan bari ikan yin dan fata kuma da bakan profedium na janimbe possible kadibi dan about after the break she will come in kadinga da keso bon la jaburo me atina de leta bi abo fala ni mo si dem ma prof men kala la obem bari prof before that ya mala kam before to come
I mean, it's good that we have the council representative here to speak on behalf of the council. I mean, it's true. I mean, when we try to identify like the constraints of the people, it's also good for us to commend the council for the good actions that they have been carrying out for development initiatives in different community areas within the West Coast region. So one important thing that he mentioned is that of the provision of vehicles for garbage collection, because West Coast as a region, or we as individuals, of course, our activities definitely because of our activities, there will definitely be waste, and those waste needs to be properly managed. And they can
because you are in
so I mean, but when we look at I mean, it's good for us to try to be objective, and for us to also have development objectives like that of sustainable cities and communities. We have to look at possible ways or innovative approaches of how to collect waste collection within Bekawa or within the West Coast region, not just with trucks or vehicles, but we can think of other innovative approaches. Because just recently I was looking at the commentary at DW. There was this student in Ghana who designed a bicycle, and this bicycle at the back it has a carrier, and this carrier, as the bicycle goes along, then there is this wiper that carries all the bait and put it in the container. So these are kind of like the involvement of young people, because young people are fundamental stakeholders in development. That's why the area council needs to expand its partnership with youth groups and young people, because young people come up with innovative ideas and approaches. We need to think innovatively and look at all the possible ways of how we can collect waste in the West Coast even without
if I may be allowed to come in that aspect, I would want to assure you one thing. Today, we have a CEO who's a young person, and he's thinking in the same line. You know, you start thinking and engaging yourself holistically as a patriotic citizen to ask yourself this question: what can I do, not for my country but for my society?
It says the change you want starts with yourself.
So begin with yourself. Our country collaborating with young people is one of our topmost priority, because we know we cannot accomplish everything. You understand? We need partners, and who do we need? Partners who are very productive, who are very realistic, who are very committed in what they are doing. And of course, yes, we have an open door policy. If you wish, I can even give you one better example. In this COVID pandemic, there's this youth group at Jamisa. You understand? They came over with their proposal, they met our CEO, and they were welcome. Today, they've been helped to facilitate whatever they want to do.
I understand that my technician is alerting me that basically you should be going on break now. I think, we just have a minute more to go for our first break. But just to chip in, you know, I know Jonga very well.
Thank you.
He's a smart, ambitious man who is, very innovative. You understand what I'm saying? But to be honest, Jonga alone cannot do it. We alone cannot do it. Council as a whole alone cannot do it. And this is the reason why we have to invite you here, so that we can be able to engage the public, to be able to talk to them, so as to be able to have their views, because we can be able to get our gears being shifted from one level to another. So this is a brighter example. Just waste collector. That is great. Holland. One of the innovative ideas the invent is, calling sort of a dinkolam. Dinko me alam ko mala kata dawa ka kenyame. But dinko ni bigebe. E kana na ko do kebe. Ne ko do kebe. Ayo le era
Students Hour on BFM. A program designed for students from nursery to senior secondary school will call it on airwaves this Sunday and any other Sunday here on BFM.
To participate, answer at least 3 to 5 questions in our programs and stand the chance of coming to the studio.
Do you have a poem that you want to read or recite?
You can call and recite your beautiful poem.
If you have a song that you want to sing,
you can call, sing or rap live in the program.
And there will be debates.
Yes, debates.
between and among students.
You can't miss this.
Sundays from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on frequency
91.2.
purely for students.
Student Hour on BFM.
Listening to BFM Radio 91.2 FM.
listeners, welcome back to your Birmingham program. There was a short break. Daran break la kamfanya ngo sinada la tana kan janna non kay jindin di immu follow. But then the proceed, I have a lady here who is my co-host. Co-host lady, like Prof. Apemo Kadi lady, I'll later so Kadi, you welcome to the program.
Sudan, thank you very much.
Okay. I've been going discussion with Abita Nyame. Singata with another Kisobundi and Jabodo. If I Yamu like them for. Singata ko akada mandingola bukan awala na do ko babu ka kemo. Singata ngre.
Ko mo masene afolo.
Singata ngre.
Kadi mera meka.
Singata.
Yes.
Iko kanya ni ko do mandingola bukan awala do ko rek. Yalla bi yalla do sonno.
Yalla saya balik ke kawan teman dulu. Bukan teman dulu dulu.
Kaum to ya.
Jamaah dulu. So ni sultan ku teman dulu bukan lah.
Sultan ma ko do mane wa ko intel ko do mane bukan.
Sultan ku singatel ko teman dulu bukan lah. Kan dia mana?
Dia dia masih.
Okay, Singata, thank you very much, Singata, for coming back. In a sound shape. We have a lot of things to discuss about here because we have a whole range of issues. May I go BAC, Mudamala Kalafikalon, Barmula Kering, Brikama area council, Tenintend. I put out the Brikama area council responsibility melody, it will find Cape for more your way. And no time with Amasia for the telephone line on here. But the Mindawa, Akumara about the area council for your plants of Nelson. Kari Wokono, Professor topic is, waste collection, Menkara Nyama, Fire in Kuala, Wilsakino Nyama. The one example we can do Holland, Dinko de Mayalang Gonda for Dinka Sivalo, the Malaka Nyamota, but another Minador could be Kedi, Consolio Kayele. So now they Namokedi. Brunamokara and Vakara, Kiantan Kurari, and Fokian, Bindu, Mar, Canaba. For now, the Mar. Singat, kita kita sirin juga ya. Baru ni dah kau. So singat, what idea sih fal beda ada. Kuru BAC financial mira mewala nyam. Kon profi apa nyam? Innovation. To be able to have a creative mind. Ya faham yang kami info. And to be able to see hanim mau soal. Baru semua lekene esi. Baru kau nama fal untuk meter lesai. Sanji jama mula kerana nyam otak otak fal. This has been the routine for many years. Dan itu bermula. Hani kami wakil ngalo. Lambu mantra luar nyam. Baru dia falin tadi. Abi ni nyam boleh nyam. Baru dia kurang kami info dah. So dia kan kalau plan sul minute, anda miral ko minute wo fanala. Kaji ko falin do se kemi dan.
Thank you very much, Sultan. Alhamdulillah, Murunta I'm back just from that short break. Coming for I think innovation wa tamu kula ni alan ko di akuma bata balu ko nala. Yo nenta da fa kumata wala dunia balu fa nenta ka karal nyudu. Sakam to manum mo ko kendo ke kan. Yo ka area ni fa na fo amanke ko to dunia alan ko council man karata ka. I can tell you in health and sanitation manager went for that special visit or a kind of study tour at Spain sometimes couple of months back before the pandemic. And at the Mawanta, Health and Environment Committee, we are council of the Boko that's the Council of Welingara Ward Bilal Fala. Okay, but in project among council Isamba Katawala. There is this association called Bolo Association. In the West Coast around that coastal area, in the dam exactly in the so when they were partnership with almost greater Banyan area la council they participate or quarter. What is best practices? Purka nyamula ku manang kuno. though Lembuba sort of waste management code, that is of my area of study. But let me understand basically
como council ba ko to
council ba ko and exactly B I can say we have that, we still have that primitive way of doing things. You understand that? That's very obvious. But along the way, these other ideas, they are modern technologies and they are very much cost effective. You understand? Because you need certain machineries and stuff you would at a study implement. You understand? So science and intelligence remember about Korea. You understand? Area council take as excuse it's pretty too much. You understand? Unless all the citizens they are free we take this responsibility on our head that we want to see our environment free of waste that we can accomplish.
No, but that cannot happen.
No, it can happen. You're talking of a technology. No,
you have waste.
Yes. Kibaru ni lefokan jangko when you went to Holland you see how they do their things. Sultan, Western world do need araji. Hani minti. I went to the supermarket, na minti some a candy. Now water. I feel guilty because mom minti faraje firing it. Siga sabat yen. Nuna siga sabat, nuna bandang kamaluka fay siloka. Ngata la nga delaji be kala funko je ngaka bi. So that's citizens' responsibility. Understand? Womu no won kirinya fana la on council to the many along ko kana kila bila saneni. Understand? So maybe as time goes on, because Alhamdulillah, Gambia with this technology, with this younger generation coming up, and Alfala Sodaya can do nothing tomorrow will come to a stage where but each and every individual will take that responsibility to complement the effort of the council. Remember, let's see it in this perspective. Council belongs to every Tom, Dick and Harry, so long as you are a resident or a native of Fusco region. Today I'm the PRO, the Public Relations Officer, and the clerk of the council. Tomorrow you know Lamin Jambe can be there. Who knows Kali can be there. You understand? So I want
public office.
Yeah, it's a public office. So that doesn't mean being Singapore with PRO yala, nai beef soto, or nai this personal sentiment. Therefore, I should not see council as my own entity. Let's see council as our own entity. And how are we going to see council as our own entity? Let's be there readily enough to complement their services in terms of
very clear. You are working with the council and working for the nation.
Exactly.
But you are not working for the council. You are working with the council and working for the nation.
Thank you.
I just wanted to say something regarding what you said. But then in other way around, I think, I will not agree with that fully. Because I believe that we all have our responsibilities towards this nation, especially our communities. But Nina and regional Karoro, Nico West Coast, this is the office that is responsible for most of our activities, especially when we talk of waste management. Same thing, nothing cool, because you're the spokesperson here. Waste the Banola Cola. Let's talk about West Coast now, not the nation generally. What do you want to see?
I bet to differ. It is important for manual understanding. Exactly. You understand? This is where I was trying to come. it doesn't mean council is going to take that as an excuse. Council total kafuko in the sembela wala kaje ko nyamuta banora kola. Let's see this word as just a saying.
I know.
You understand? Don't put it into any context.
I'm not putting it in any context.
Exactly.
I'm also trying to make you understand that I believe in what
What I'm
saying is, as an example, why can't Gambia be like those countries? It has to come from us as citizens, but at the same time, I don't mean the forefront though, it has to start from you.
Like Prof. Let's be the change that we want to say.
Exactly.
You understand? So, and I can tell you, country is taking that trajectory. They are taking that trend. We want to make sure the citizenry, particularly the people of West Coast, really sees us in that forefront. Thereby, they can join and complement our effort. You understand? Yes, it is the responsibility within the administrative context, the management context, the legal framework and stuff like that. Council is responsible of waste collection.
Exactly.
You understand? And West Coast, like I said, council flip means the Pruka Nyamu ko West Coast kono. Effectively, among the Kami Welingara Nyamu from Banu Kola. Effectively for that matter, Kola face. Sign tag.
Make what up.
But what we will
make what up.
Sign tag. You understand?
I want to know what caused that.
Yeah, fine.
When it was when I think that council used to it's not even enough for one community.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that. Yeah, thank you very much for that. Can I miss good? Can I move finding you guys? I'm going to see you guys. To cut the story short, council is moving to the mini alonko, wala kanyamu ko. But along the way, we want to do nakata off-road. You understand that? The circumstance surrounding it can be a mechanical problem or something whatsoever. Everything have a lifespan. Even the life that we live have a lifespan.
Exactly.
You understand? The motor for that but don't suffer no. You understand? So and Kaduru will council of financial muscle compared to its other obligations, at that particular moment was a problem. Remember, council have series of revenue sources, but revenue sources will have a compressed. Saying council only revenue sources will be these trade land sales, even the hotels. The trade land scene for each and every hotel need to council like a data. Council almost let me say minimum of 3 different sources of revenue from hotel order. All of them different sources. A minimum of 2. Let me say a minimum of 2. You understand? Number 1, rate, the land rate. The land occupied. And you can see the sort of Pruka, you can take a hotel, the hotel business role. Well, see the cargo. So, the Dana can name you to council Camela sort of hotel. They can dress him one in the sort of fine. Well, central government, well, hotel trade lancing, hotel lancing, a la June will make a duty board less side. You don't be controlled. You don't country. You understand? Car park. Become a car park like Juro. GRA like our collect. Sign. GRA collect at the end of the year.
they would use some to the council. Sand mining even the billboard, in the Siloka. Normally, when the Kajo council, council NRA Kata. So, council revenue sources, council Sadubulayu, Jamabana the central government Bulukata. Bulukata, the central government Bulokon. So, being the recommendation of Dami, it is Sultan Nakoda, Ilanamu. And let me also is very is bit I find it not bit straight because you know council I don't know council level so now I the council body I did do mune was sam mune I don't know council that this was not amount of sand market it was during the former review. I will understand how the former regime used to work. Okay. At this conclusion, okay, I want this thing to happen. So coming in this directly now. To diagnose West Coast land. From Congo, West Coast comprises of two settlements. That's the urban and the rural. You understand? Like for instance, the in Congo is Kodami Batalagi, Miyalonko, Abafala Samokono, Saumini, Akadalisi beautiful Jew. Well, Akadalisi really Sabaju, or 5,000 compared to other compounds within the urban area, Samokono, Akodamo and Sia. Yali Deka Jello Samokono, Nasiara Siara Kemeflo. Namu dari si kemufla. Hanya dua yang tadi. Dua yang tadi. Oke. Yang tadi. Sango kono. Fai ku jamaba katang kemo. Barhani di. Ada bar subvention of bukan akamu. Thank you. Mana subvention of anak. Subvention. The book of the book local government actually saying 25% of the council development budget. Like when council could be, that's it. Can be only high ma pula budget only maybe. You know that's it. Can maybe that's it. Tell me when you to tell you are a fanal. That's it. Tell you. Ala sidlam wali. That's the 25%. Central government yet a cost subvention will be council. But guess what? That's not forthcoming. Farmer Takana. Government Bekela. A farmer Takana, Winkana Mang, Winsangi Dantawokono, Kabin Faluka, Minkana, they call it as equalization. You understand? $8 million. Ministry of Finance go in the ministry. We have eight regional councils here, from Banjul to Basse. So each of these councils will be given 1 million as subvention. 1 million. 1 million. One council for the source. Okay. So as a result, but we are not here to blame anyone. We need to tell people what is really happening with us. You understand? Yes, that will orders many and give half a hamla. Mina Allah construct ala kumada fair of an kadi prof a fair lum kataka mulla complain wo kata it will farna complain dan min will fana kata right balance exactly ko council 10 council fana fonso de nganda mi adiyene bi den do mi citizen won singade is young de I am young you are young and the nimba ko la ban do funding ken da bilo ko ka don de lesson mira no san ma will na dara will be mira no ko ba ka ke ba ka so jonga Bigo Sultan bigo kadi bigo fanna de ngam mirale fena meje ko sambalanya bar dalle bigo ngaji bunun problem modi mina manke mina nanda kala ngam mirale fena ngi ben nyola ya fa ngara kadi so abo so singade yes development ngam ngol de lorong area council kadi bungol de lorong area council bindang bigo awelo kan ya family which is good among bang follow So project let me is cut across. If you go to Banjul Abidjan, if you go to KMA Abidjan, if you come to Bikamere Council Abidjan, like I said, many project with me central government project like I mentioned earlier, through GAMWES, but council will pay a counterpart contribution. You understand? Through can you project will implement law. Min dal si chemela do na ala project ko nito. Council the min do maybe na siara is like $10. Dalastan. Dalastan. Ni dalasi kemelo. Ni na so dalasi kemelo. Adu ko niti. Maybe council be dalasi $10. To show that commitment, 10%. So, basically, we don't need the local country to do in the phone. And it is our obligation to inform them. So, we council project will solely and only. One thing. It's the central bank. Central council fana ko okay alfana dari de marolo nimbo be ko sila fana kam la ko sila fana je ko sila central bank yal ko no mal fana central bank yal ko no mal fana yal ko wali ga fana ke
aning singabe ni tara ne do jibe ni regional do jibe because I'm allowed to mention certain things but ni regional do jibe because dan ni mo kachada they we are all from West Coast understand ni mo kachada the things you have because they seeing what the council is doing at siata amansia but then nsafono ngajelo no demanding understand quickly for the Jamalan but Mojama 95% of the people in this region Molo understand so Nina Kanini the Amwato the Alaki came the Amisal fort council bukan council need other thing need having a regional women even cardinal regional Jubilee understand Jay so wala ko lang ko yun ko nako nyamote banno na kola I'm against that because I think other regions so baki kanya because na get region di wala ka wala nyama ko jangko man ter effort ke kan ko other regions baki kanya it is governments to commit to one thing it is very difficult jang like we are good at doing things but then the thing is I don't want to use makamut momoi understand but we have to changes la it become stop ka fo ko ina ya bla kilim fula saba imam bla no you continue saying it you continue doing the thing exactly
radio should come public engagement should come
that is what I'm saying
yalo sumara ni ngama ko de kan even you've acquired ample experience in this job better fananga won kan sude do ka allo alna dal ma ko alla CEO kada he's a veteran journalist so the idea can be we engage the public council ko kuda and you know council also
yes
council ko kuda more long more than arakela world because more than the more sultan this assigned portfolio ta officially among me baba yes I joined the council in 2018 and I was appointed as the clerk of the council. I mean, councillor clerk. Now that is my natural appointment, my original appointment. So along the way, in after this assigned portfolio dinner, that was Kabin Jonganara officially, and we assigned portfolio dinner. But I can tell you, with the help of him and other senior staff members, we were able to come up with a broader strategy for communication, for talking to basically to get the media for harm the locate. You understand? Your body, near the roll out because on certain we are going on this COVID-19. So this COVID-19, I can tell you, entirely phone can roll out. You understand? Station of being kata FMB kata FMB start ka dia mo ala mo jo council batentine sometimes it's not good as well because what are you the corona la kono ya la sale so corona problem mo ntakani kuma radio be focus ka la kono ya long ika ko jibele abita ka nyam yibla me no ya so that was the obstacle pro ka ko communication strategy amoro lab no nyam but I can tell you it's a very detailed one. You understand? West Coast we have a regular talking time with the public on either or after FMB done. Karena sudah kuat menjadi on the line. But then in the telephone line for the listener because Santon we want to in a short moment we will open the telephone line. Coffee level carry the line is in the phone so good. No coffee level carry because it's dark in the coffee me. Have data. Jamin the telephone line put more for a folk more for them to be part of the discussion. Because aku mana orang yang muda mereka kacaka, itu bukan itu, bela mana tu dafa. So na yele tu fana ye folk move. Mereka di, jangan wo, bela fila la council fana na berada movement. It's over because it's very pivotal for you also to be able to talk to the masses, for them to understand. Aku fana berada movement because I'm already down. Council fana tanya tamuela. Iba jera work on salon and the problem ni masal fila nyam. So you need to be able to sila if okay council batadan movement welfare council barada should be ngala atata nata movement finance setting manangku proka buku belka so Gambia Bima Anakulu Mamankile. Public accountability is taking toll. You understand it? Among Kumaya and Tenujam, Nandy Mushura now Nujam. We need the problem that I confirm it. But in the Kuda as a public officer, Gambia. Am I? You understand? So this is our thinking. This is the way we are thinking. This is how the CEO is thinking. This is the way the senior officers, all persons within the council is thinking.
You want to make a change?
We want to make a change and we make sure we make this change. The problem back Yana Sale, Numunangatandati, because cooking for a tax. The Mole motion use of the Mole use of tax like you Kenya roll on Samamamba. The tax door. Mimisal of another Bulundala FM Jambi. Go in a Lansino in a tax door. Sometimes as I go, I'll do some of our mom like a tax. No, it doesn't work that way. I mean, one problem with Kudimianka, Siaka and Jam. You understand? And in both of Balon Katakijo simply because they don't see they perceive that they don't see the value of their money. That's their perception. You understand? But what actually that is not the reality happening. It do as a keta mana faso but they are not faso. This is it now, this is do kutala phone. Don't conclude ko among the faso. You understand? So basically, council kolea community and the major source of potential revenue sources, central government are the role that we are going to be. So saying, we buy them become one of the we don't want to nada and nada yan. Lemon that I can. understand? So if somebody want to go to Nyame, lang yung kanya sa ko with the type of na management din nila kanya na nila ko sa makanya ng din. Nila naman ko sa totoo. So lang ko sa mga sa yung Nyame di dikitan kanya ng. Lalo niya mo flatan lorong dulo ko. Ko duro ko. They say better than better, and the very sure that improve market like that. And the big mal, even the for the upward. So
okay, thank you so much, Mr. Singaje. I think another important thing that I would like us to discuss on, because part of our national values and principles as a country is that of transparency and accountability, and which is key to the development of every society. And there has been so many complaints from vendors and those who are working at the markets that they have been paying their taxes without the area council giving them receipts. And also people are complaining that they are arguing that they have received fewer or far lesser improvements on their lives and livelihoods because of blatant corruption and non-inclusivity that marred the operations of the area council. I mean, what's your take on this?
Thank you very much. One thing I want to categorically make right. Coming for them thing. Ako ko dengan mo ng kadumi niyan katrenya mo bato niya. Kita mo niya dile fau ako kan kelema. Okay, phone. Let me say this in Mandinka for the benefit of listeners. Lafta minten dila ko ni dami fotonde ko no be diangu ka marso ko no marso tala ka jopo ika kunujo ika taxi yo bari buka receipt so area council ya understand wodo follow lafta minten dila mo la wala minten ko bi ba jamano ni to area council mantara receipt for use kam ni alon ko bulo le ka safe akabandam masimola kono.
When did that start?
Yeah, that started a couple of months since early 2020.
Okay.
You understand? We started well. That's what we call the digital tax system. We had this launching at Kairaba since was it in January 2020, and that is effective. It's rolling now. But the sign more program work. Ngala ko mo fa isa fa den mo ma min man ta la moy kan pour bayre domu banku ma be do gasko su ko re am ni woro tagirante ya nyanto bondi la ko nal ko niya jo pour namo la fa beauty la ba fa namo la ba niya jo e nyanta ka resito mi yalon ko abondi tanam masion ko but I also want to tell you one thing yalon dunya ba mo do nyama hala ba do na la interest ako safeguard la de bita ma simple mo nyanta ka dalasi lulu jo duty barajo ko dalasi lulu tambulu aba prefer la ka dalasi sabodi wala dalasi lulu dalasi flafa lu ngotu ngel ay dalasi sabodi ata dalasi that is what we call corruption from both ends ko na dobla ta pour fond la sama no kele ni na de ko bela namo ni aju afaya risito della azu namo dum jalli ka jo ka demand no dile ika kai do dile okay suna da tamo min bi jaman si aba so the telephone line so yele na it's not a problem ya faham ya so and if you want to be part of this program you could call 784-1456 784-1456 by the way madam min de la mo kan ko min la fa commande ro kala bijam min Brikama area council la CEO wala be jam wala spokesperson ila diamula Brikama area council nango men kala lamin sinade de new studio ko jam bi with min prof nako host and kadi samade nako host so the telephone line will la sign the min la fatara program reference for the we say 784-1456 command 784-1456 69-329-6069 may last command operation number command drum isari se tarano udari se tarano program
yes just to okay we have a caller on the line
yeah hello caller Hello? Hello, hello, tu kata nyamba. Agar kembali saya membawa itu, saya marah dia ambil. Akan kita pernah tidak tahu. Saya pernah kata keluar aku ni alasan. Kamu tak kau kena tadi. Orang musuh.
To talk about something very important, which is the involvement of stakeholders. That is the market committee and that of youth groups, especially in the West Coast region, because I mean the to the people of the region, and obviously in planning and also in initiating strategies for development, these people should be involved in the initiation process. I mean, my question to the pro of the Brikawa Area Council is that, I mean, how council on the involvement and engagement of youth groups, and also the Brikawa Markets Committee, which is led by a president, on its budget preparation and also in its
hukumara because sina akamevu prof kame jani gande hukumara baken kadu yage marché kono groupe le bi kadi mali alongo ngamra marché la president of the kudo ya famia. So I think it will ease, you know, certain things. That the council is collaborating with these people. Council mean can be able to work on it. Can be able to do along with your family. Then be marché kono la. Ya famia. I don't know that we funding kela. And I am going to marry funding ke group will be. So prof kadani can be done then. Meaning karo make. So we become area council will work in minute work. We will have proactiveness with regards to that aspect.
Thank you. Near council la nyajibi. Prof, I desire to job in English, but Mintarafa Kumara, our audience need to know what we say. You understand? Council Longania da Kamtalaku, Deputy Wanyaba. We have our ward councillors. These ward councillors, each of the ward have a ward committee. Ward committee, is like okay. Another caller is coming. Yeah. Each of the word hello caller. VDC when Sato la Yurwakafo, that's the VDC. So VDC when we Sate Tanabiji, what Sato Sadina VDC, when the Kafula. Hello.
What you see are very impressive. Okay, we got a Banjul for an that we see are very close to Jalaka. Because it's just crazy. You cannot understand. You know, mean for a person to understand. Informative, informative of our Sino come from where the Kalon was killing one. It's very disheartening sometimes, so another defense of you approach defense of between all the area countries. Why is I mean? What do the military and me along with informative area you know?
Okay. Okay, I could. Yeah, Sono kadine men demandingo men ka wona Mansa Kundala kadi Brikama area council Mansa Konko area council BAC KLC commission ada kan men bar mi na Brikama area council mo method sifalta fonto method sifalta purga because senior betinyare you know it will way disheartening the way new kuyale mo la mo be tinyala and the line because senior tinyaka wala so it focus network it is important to learn best practices from other institutions wokumara bakele isemo emulate ku kendo kam and letting the rest assured that we are doing that. You understand me? Method so many alonko other councils. Let me make this thing very clear. We are not competing, but our kumatale in December kugula nya ya report me kaka. You understand it? We fana immunity kilia kake. So and we kilia we be jealous. Amanke we are jealous in a bad way, but we jealous in a good way. From here up to anywhere, means a best practices methodology. We are focusing there. Purukayoku, become area council like Dulati Mia Wanku. It will be an example. And let me assure, inshallah, we are doing our level best, and we are going to change the narratives. Inshallah.
I think I'm okay because I'm not coming here jealousy la mona kubola because niaji at the end of the day abe mo bangkoni na nyato abe is towards the development of the same country. So it's not about being jealous or stuff like that. If they're doing it and then they're doing good and we're all seeing that they're doing good for the nation, so why not us? I think we have another call.
Hello. Okay, good evening to all.
Good evening. Good evening. What is your name and where are you calling from, my sister?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Sorry, mbala lise kama la para dengan kunyemu. Sekarang Ciangko, mari ala kriang ko banda. I mean, yes. Area council engagement, point of engagement but from the village level to the world level and to the council. And each of these sectors for council have a representative for the shuttle. For the first time, the Area Council have 8 or 9 nominated councillors. And the number represent within our society. We have the vendors rep that we expect. Wala TOR ala mandate ni minti wala ntiko alim vendo le kacha ayala blight fintindena. You understand? We have youth reps. So youth rep for ala mandate nominate and youth le kacha across the region a youth constituents no applies no neutral na towards council for possible redressal. You understand? So aboro nyama and again actually different committees within the councillors themselves. You understand? You have the committee which is responsible for the welfare of the market within the council, and this committee is directly working hand in glove with the local market committee in Brikama, with the local market committee at Busumbala, wheresoever you name them. We equally have a special committee for VDCs. Any problem that emanates from one particular VDC, they sit over it and resolve it. So, I believe that structure to inclusiveness in Nafilana. And like I said, approach me is an approach that go more than because I've told you earlier in the program that it is embedded in our strategic plan. Our strategic plan is from the community people. Bottom-top approach, not top-bottom approach. We went down to the community to ask them their plights. What is their needs? What did they expect? So coming because they move country to down or kada more can but most na country can to for forward there. And now what Senado ko country are expecting you feeling ke wali ke ilaftan me la finna ko kaitan before sina dari ko la fo animal hani you miss okay alright la fo ko country te binno la kata mo ka to the communities you see you and you know him he's very proactive he's a young person with ambitions. And he dare not to allow anything to cloud his future aspirations. You understand? This is his first ever high he is assuming. You understand? And he's expecting a better future ahead. So therefore, he had the zeal in him. I'm not trying to turn on the Amansia. Could you imagine when I file it was Siloka? Could you imagine when I was with them? I was so impressed. Thank you. CEO, number 2, apart from the chairman is number 2. Madala go Dumal. Rafala video, Namu Durmara, the central control of the Pakan, like this. This is very good. But sabula kudama video men kesole mento menna jabota nanta bola bare ni zera programo bandula focal tempo kal jay le mel fanale commandeur ke tempo ke jay sam baya barka bake bulunda FM birminti programo lo kale am moy ñaan do ko birminti ko le me wangi fenan jang na jabo ko di tefe wonde jaboto na ko hos min mel bi da wala pera jere saner do kay prof nakkian kan do ke suto kadi farandi yan kadi sama da faram nakkian kan de bare ngakkilen ken ko fu I would like to express sincere appreciation for answering to my call, and of course it's important for me to despite this information to the public out there. The council cannot do it alone. We as the people of West Coast region, the don't claim it. The council ma keku, the council ma keku, the council ya keku, but more finance kata, coming the long coming council that matter keku, and below the more so before the audience out there, so they could know what you finally want to tell them. Allah baraka bake Sultan content bake kana kandanku chilido nyina. One thing I want to put across, I don't need to be praised, or you don't need to show me your sincere appreciation for the fact that I answered. No, nambe tentula itoni kontongola diamolong amandia akole atale yo bar winta rafa kuma rawolo nyinti ko ni kuma afata jam mi yalon ko afoku sala la ku ta mo nyeseo misaje ko womu kule to mi yalon ko ala fonla soro lo wote
yo ni ko dum manta mallaku amanke ngani yakuti amma sallam lalbe hakadani ngani ko bondi ngaje ko be kam area council fawol la tamu modo tanteng ya understand le tonya ni miro bi ko ka atal la jo ha kan tel la jo yo bari kan tel min fana jo ajibi ya de fana male yobula luma yalla mun aba kering so wotan bedani do kala bi modela ka bulan luma ka kiskisi do ke wo mu wajibi wala bari na ke with an in a very objective way I think ko dem ma ko lale so ebe bulan luma kam commentary wari ke raje be number la do tentu la meja Sultan, thank you very much, and Prof, and of course Kadi Samado, my I don't know, Miss Environment. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Prof. Finally.
Thank you so much, wonderful listeners. I mean, it's been an honor and a pleasure to be here with you and to have this wonderful and fruitful conversation with all of you. Until we come your way next weekend, next week, Wednesday, the same time, the same frequency. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you all for having us, and then tune in again next week Wednesday at the same time, the same frequency.
Bye-bye. Thank you.